Is Meta forming an AI superintelligence team? Will OpenAI start using Google's cloud servers? And are lightweight AR glasses on the way next year? It's Wednesday, June 11th, and answers to those three questions on the way in this quick look at tech in the news this morning from Engadget. Meta chief Mark Zuckerberg has been recruiting experts to join a team he's assembling to achieve AI superintelligence. That's according to Bloomberg and the New York Times. Zuckerberg has reportedly been discussing potential recruits with other senior leaders from the company in a WhatsApp group chat dubbed Recruiting Party. He reportedly has a personal list of recruits, which include AI researchers, infrastructure engineers, and other entrepreneurs. Zuckerberg has invited them to lunch and dinner at his homes in California to get them to join his team over the past month. At the moment, the immediate goal of AI companies is to achieve true artificial general intelligence, wherein a machine has human-level intelligence and can achieve any task a human can do. Superintelligence is a step beyond that. An AI system with superintelligence is supposed to have intellectual powers far beyond any humans. The Times says Zuckerberg has already tapped Alexander Wang, the founder of AI startup Scale AI, to join the new team. Meta is planning to invest billions of dollars into Wang's company, which provides other AI companies with data to train their models. The deal will also bring Scale's other employees on board Meta, though it is unclear if any of them are joining the new team as well. Meta has also offered dozens of AI experts from other companies, including Google and OpenAI, compensation packages worth 7 to 9 figures to join the team. Some, according to the Times, have already agreed. In his pitch to potential recruits, Zuckerberg apparently said that his company's advertising business can finance its own AI development, even if it costs tens of billions of dollars, unlike rivals who have to raise funds first. Zuckerberg decided to oversee recruitment himself due to frustration over the quality of and the public's response to Meta's Llama 4 large language model. Llama 4 was not well received, and critics argued that Meta overpromised but under-delivered. The company also had to delay the release of its behemoth Llama 4 model, which the company vowed will outperform GPT 4.5, Claude Sonnet 3.7, and Gemini 2.0 Pro on several STEM benchmarks. OpenAI has inked a deal with Google to begin using the latter's cloud service to meet its growing needs for increased computing capacity. That's according to a report by Reuters. Now, this is something of a surprise given that Google and OpenAI are rivals in the AI space. The terms of the deal remain unknown, but reporting indicates it has been in the negotiation phase for the past several months. Now, this marks OpenAI's latest move to diversify its compute sources away from Microsoft Azure. Microsoft had been OpenAI's exclusive data center provider until January, after OpenAI CEO Sam Altman blamed the lack of compute capacity for the delay of several products. The company made a deal in March with CoreWeave to provide increased cloud compute capacity. That deal was worth nearly $12 billion. Microsoft Azure may no longer be the exclusive cloud provider for OpenAI, but it's not as if the two companies have parted ways. OpenAI still relies heavily on Azure, and the corporations are currently in negotiations to revise the terms of their partnership, which will likely revise the equity stake Microsoft holds in OpenAI. However, this is certainly a win for Google Cloud. ChatGPT poses the biggest threat to Google's search business in years, and this deal could indicate a softening between the two companies. In any event, it will certainly bring a whole lot of money into Google Cloud's coffers. The platform made $43 billion last year and accounted for 12% of parent company Alphabet's overall revenue. The addition of OpenAI to its customer portfolio will likely extend those numbers dramatically. There is an elephant in the room, though. Google has famously struggled to meet customer demand for its cloud services, and this was before bringing on OpenAI. Simply put, it needs more data centers. Will OpenAI get priority access over pre-existing customers? Engadget has reached out to Google and will update the story if Google responds. To that end, OpenAI is certainly thriving. The company recently announced that the current adoption rate of its software will lead to $10 billion in annual revenue as of June. It told investors that it has a target revenue goal of around $12 billion for the year, which it should easily meet with new subscribers. Snap's next generation of standalone augmented reality glasses will arrive next year and will be smaller, lighter, and more powerful than the developer-focused device the Snapchat maker introduced last year. CEO Evan Spiegel announced the upcoming glasses, which will be called Specs, during a keynote at Augmented World Expo. He said the glasses will be ready for public release but did not provide details on how much they may cost. The current fifth-generation glasses are available only to approved developers willing to commit to a year-long $99 per month subscription. Still, a smaller pair of AR glasses from Snap should be welcome news to Snapchat fans curious about the company's standalone AR device, but who may have been put off by its bulky, oversized design. Spiegel shared few details about the glasses, but in a blog post, Snap suggested that AI will play an important role, saying that chatbots will soon give way to immersive experiences that bring AI into the world through augmented reality, empowering us to express ourselves, live in the moment, learn about the world, and have fun together. The existing version of Spectacles already has some AI-powered experiences thanks to a partnership with OpenAI, and Snap announced new integrations with OpenAI and Google that allow developers to build multimodal lenses for spectacles that can use the built-in cameras to react to the wearer's surroundings. Snap said that developers have already created experiences for recipe generation, translation, and currency conversion. Spiegel did confirm that the AR lenses that developers are building now will work with the next generation of frames, so whenever they do launch, there should be an established catalog of AR experiences for the glasses. Thanks for listening. There's more to these stories and more tech news at Engadget.com. This episode featured journalism from Mariella Moon, Lawrence Bonk, and Carissa Bell, and was voiced and produced from the sound studios of Spoken Layer. Enjoy your day, and I'll be back tomorrow with more tech news from Engadget.